Hi, I'm Aaron.
Hi, I'm Aru.
We're here at Vice Cosmetics Duet
Thank you.
for their new product launch. Ayan, we have the juice.
Drink.
Thank you,
Grabe
sir.
naman
Ay, juice drink. Sorry. And we're gonna rate what?
Everything.
We're gonna rate the food. Let's go. Saan tayo mag-start? This is the chicken nuggets, I say.
I think this is potato with chicken.
Potato with chicken.
Cheers. Hindi namin alam kung anong tawag, so visual learners naman kayo, right? Kaya mo isang buo?
Yes. I love how it melts.
Lasang Mexicana.
Oh, yeah. Parang very ano siya.
El Poco Cantina.
Ay, ang sarap ni Kuya. It's like very Mexican-y.
Yeah.
It's very bonjour. Ay, hindi. It's very
Hola.
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 Okay, let's finish it.
Cheers.
Rate it,
1 to 10.
yeah. 8. 8 also. Kasi na-enjoy ko siya.
Pero kulang sa sauce.
Actually, pero I love the
Dry.
creaminess.
I love, pero medyo dry siya for me, kaya kulang sa sauce.
Okay, our next.
Okay, next. Let's have that. We're gonna have this pork. Cheers.
I love it. Mahal kasi ang kilo ng baboy, so
I can taste the basil, the thyme, all of the herbs.
I can taste the herbs and spices.
Yeah.
Parang ano siya, parang alam mo yung well-grown yung pork and walang magic sarap yung...
At hindi inahing baboy,
Yeah.
young pork.
And I love the steak kasi ano siya,
Matigas.
makapal.
Yes.
I think nakulang yung sauce.
Akin okay lang. Hindi siya yung pangkantong pulutan.
Yeah, okay. Kasi gusto ko yung sauce.
I want it
To add flavor.
Ako, I want it kind of sweeter. 7.
Me is 8.5 because I enjoy eating pork but kawawa naman yung pork pero masarap kasi. Yeah.
Oh, pag masarap, 8 talaga.
Okay, our next is
Ang sarap din niya, Bio.
at the juice.
A juice. Okay.
Next is the juice. Hindi namin alam kung ano to.
Blind taste test.
Orange juice. Oh, alam mo yung lasa ko yung yung orange peel.
I don't like it.
It's kailangan pa siya ng onting dilution.
Lumaki kasi ako sa tang.
Ako naman, I love it. It feels fresh, but ano lang, parang onting water pa kasi masyadong maasim, right?
And masyado siyang bitter.
Kasi lasa mo yung orange peel.
Rate ko siya 6.
Me 7. It's refreshing.
I love it. Okay, next, the fries. Okay, next is the fries. Sana rinig pa tayo, no? Sana rinig pa tayo. Ang lamig na nung sa akin.
Sa akin parang okay lang siyang malamig kasi hindi siya makunat. Hindi siya makunat.
Makunat na.
Ako, i-rate ko siya ng 7.5 kasi parang kulang sa sauce. Ay, mag-start na.
Ay, wow.
See you later.
See you later.